So hello everyone, this is your guy Primers and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you a workflow that every agency should have, especially those who are doing AI agents. So let's get started. Right, before any continue, I would like to show you my AI agent, AI update agents, which I showed you in previous video. So I have made many changes. So first is this. I know it looks very different from the last time, as I have added army of RSS tools, and then I am merging them via code node. Then this code node is going to AI agent, which is doing the same thing. Now you will notice two extra things, which is AI agent 1 and this LLM chain. So what do they do? I'll explain. So first, our AI agent, you know how it creates the news, and our AI agent 1, it creates the news into an HTML, which is going to send to an email. So what does this do? It converts our news into this news in HTML format, so it looks more appealing to read. But for WhatsApp, it's same. But for but for my email, it has turned into this, and it looks better now. And also, I changed little bit changes in my audio.
What is up? Let's decode the signal from the noise. Here is your
Yeah, that sounds like my one black skinned friend. Okay, yeah, so this was the change. Now let's continue back to our agent. So this is my new workflow n8n. So first of all, let's see what does it do. It is a form submission. So I go to, let's say, my channel, and you will see in my latest video, including this one I am recording, you will see one new thing, which is this: connect with me and my form trigger. So let's fill this form. I have generated a demo for my in Perplexity hot lead code. So I'm using hot as it has more functions. So let's say I'm using full name Arjun Patel, then email. I'm going to use my email, it would be better. So alright, I will show you. So I give my email, and then I WhatsApp, and yeah, this is not my number, it is the number Perplexity randomly generated, and this, and company website and all. So I'm going to send a quote request. So yeah, form is submitted, your response has been recorded. Now let's go back to our executions. It is running. For now I will show you what is going on. So our form will go to if node, it will check if their file exists or not, and I have put it a one file. Then it will upload the file, append the file in the sheet, then it will go to sentiment analysis, which will check it with a hot, warm or cold lead. If it's a hot lead, it will send me WhatsApp message that it is a hot lead, you should reply immediately. And then it will go through AI agent, which will create a custom HTML message for email, and then it will send the email. Let's see if it has finished. Okay, it's still running. And for cold or warm leads, it just goes through WhatsApp message, then email. So that's the whole workflow. Okay, let's see if it's okay, it's still running. For now I will open my my default email. Okay, please ignore the background voice, I can't control it. Okay, yeah, so workflow has been executed. Yeah, so as you can see, reply or call now. Okay, I should not open this. I don't want to reveal my number yet, but yeah, so that's how it is. Okay, so let's check it. It is showing that it is still running, but it has actually executed. Yeah, so I think there must be a problem, because let's see. So yeah, it worked as planned. There was no error. I was expecting an error, but no, it worked fine. So that was it. As you create your agency, there will be many people to talk with you, to connect with you. And yeah, I missed one email, and I lost my potential client in my first try. So to make up for this, I created this workflow submission. So it will not only notify me, it will also send and reply email back. And as you can see, it has also sent me a WhatsApp message. So that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.